kind of hurt too when you go like that. But ooh, that hurt. Hey everybody, so today I am back in the bathroom for another face mask. So the mask I'm doing today is a clay mask. The reason I'm doing it is because I got a couple breakouts. I have been wearing makeup. I haven't been washing it off at night. So my skin is like yelling at me pretty much. The mask we're going to be doing today is a clay mask. And what it does, it removes impurities and dirt from your pores. It's a really deep pore cleansing mask, and it also says men love it too. It says use once per week for the family, more often for problem skin. So once we put the mask on, it's gonna get hard, and then you just wash it off. Yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so here are the ingredients. It is the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay, and you can find this on Amazon, or I bought mine from the GNC store in my neighborhood, and as you can see, it's down pretty low because I actually do use it. Then you'll want to get the apple cider vinegar with the mother. Make sure you get that. This you can find easily at Walmart, or you can also order it on Amazon. And you just need a bowl and a spoon. That's it. Start putting it on. Make sure you wash your hands. You don't want to use dirty hands, obviously. So make sure you wash your hands. And you just start putting it on pretty much. What you want to make sure that you get it on evenly. And not have like any thick, clumpy spots. And you mostly just want to put it in the spots that you have problems. You don't really have to put it all over your face. Like this side, like this area here, no one really gets breakouts right there, so you really probably don't need it right there, but I'm gonna put it right there anyway. So I'm just smoothing it out, making sure it's even, and that's pretty much it. That's it. So I have some left over like always. So I'm gonna just rinse this out. So you definitely don't want to use too much because you don't want to just waste up everything. But the directions say let it sit 10 to 15 minutes. and then you just rinse it off. It says let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin and 15 to 20 minutes for normal skin. You will feel a pulling and tightening sensation. So this mask is really tight. It says feel your face pulsate. Remove clay by washing with warm water. Slight redness of the skin is normal and will disappear in about 30 minutes. So yeah. It says you can also use it for a body wrap, a clay bath, foot soaks, chilled clay for knee packs and insect bites. It says enjoy the benefits of clay in your own home. Beautify and refresh. So this is a really good product, and I want to say it was only like $10. Directions, it says, yeah, mix with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar and or water. So you can use water too. Okay, so we're gonna let this sit 20 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. It's been about 20 minutes, and as you can see, the mask is hard. It's starting to like peel and crack. And this mask, it feels, it's like you can feel it working, you know? So, ooh, kind of hurt too when you go like that. But, ooh, that hurt. So I'm gonna just go ahead and rinse it off. And like I said, the main thing, the purpose of this mask is it like tightens your skin and it pulls out all the nasty stuff. It's almost like getting a facial. So if you have any problem areas, and I went back on that spot that I had and put a little extra, so make sure you just put it on your problem areas. Be consistent, use it like once a week, and I bet you will see results. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off. All rinsed off, but I'm gonna go back with a towel and just wipe some areas that wouldn't come off. So also, if you did not see my last face mask video, go ahead and watch that, the turmeric mask. I'll put the link to that video in my description. That is a really good mask too. But pretty much if you have skin problems or acne breakouts, these masks do work. Now this mask is definitely for acne. If you have breakouts and bumps and stuff, this one will dry, like literally dry your face out and help to get rid of acne. So just like the directions said, my face is a little bit red, but it said it'll go away in like 30 minutes. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. My face definitely feels refreshed. It feels rejuvenated. It feels clean. So I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face and get on with my day. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.